Hello, this is Darren, woodworking on a lathe. Just a quick, really, update. I did say it when I was on Facebook. I did say that I run through some of the problems that I was getting with my timber and what I do. If you look on here, you can see a great big split. We call it a shake. Where it's been drying out, it's got a great big split in it. So what I do is that I get offcuts of timber, a bit like these, any size, and what I should do is to make a wedge up and then glue it inside. So when I do the pot, instead of super gluing and filling it up with sawdust, you get different colours of the timber and a different shade of colour where you can put the same timber in there so it'll blend in, but I like to put different timber in because it gives it a bit of a feature. What I'll do then is I'll prepare it all, and then I will show you how I do it in a minute. So catch you soon. Hi, I'm back again. Right, I prepared some little wedges. Here's some little thin wedge, look, and then you got another one, little thin wedge. And what that's going to do, that's going to drive right inside there. You don't have to do it in the middle because you're hollowing the middle bit out. You probably want to put a bit in the middle there, but don't forget you're hollowing it out, so you're not going to see all the middle bit. But I will show you I will show you. I've just got to turn it off. I should glue it all up and then I'll switch it back on again. Okay, right, here we go. See, I hope you get a little bit of gist of it, but that's what I do. I pack it all out, wait till the glue's gone off, and then I sand it up, and then it look a bit like a feature. So what I'll do is once I've let it dry and then I've sanded it, I'll give you another preview of it. So yeah, people, I hope you've found this interesting and it helps you, because that's what I'm trying to do, is help people. And I just find this is a better way. Instead of cutting the timber in half, it's I just find it's better just to, you've got some odd bits and bobs, you must have, so you just put a wedge on them and fit them in. Yeah, so all right, when this dries I'll give another update and then we can go from there. Thanks everyone, send your likes, I like that. It's a new thing for me on YouTube, so I normally do it, like I said, on Facebook, but there's too many weird people on there. So yeah, and all I want to do is just to help someone like other people's helped me, and if I can do that, it's a bonus. So yeah, send your likes. All right, catch you on the update. Thanks a lot.